This is the Augmented Reality Sandbox for sensory integration and hands-on geography demonstration. This is to be installed at the William M. Brish Planetarium and the Marshall Street School. I'm Michael McGinnis. I am the Student Success and Parent Support Liaison for Washington County Public Schools. My principal has reviewed and approved this project request. Her name is Brenna Creedon. The number of students anticipated to participate in this project is 5,050. The Augmented Reality Sandbox uses a computer projector and a motion sensing input device, in this case a Kinect 3D camera, mounted above a box of white reflective sand. As students interact with the sand in the box, the Kinect detects the distance to the sand below, and a visualization of an elevation model with isometric lines and a color map is cast from the projector onto the surface of the sand. The camera perceives changes in the distance to the sand surface, and the projected colors and contour lines change accordingly. This AR sandbox allows students to physically manipulate an environment modulated by a computer program, creating a unique and novel sensory integration experience, key in the development of the universal design for learning. Demonstrations involving topography, watersheds, and different landforms make this an exciting tool for learning about geography across a broad band of education levels. The anticipated project outcomes are that the AR Sandbox gives students the ability to immerse themselves in whatever scene or topic they're learning and really show their knowledge. Through their own physical creations, they can demonstrate a mastery of important geographical concepts, watersheds, topography, erosion, oceans, lakes, rivers, islands, inlets, peninsulas, mesas, mountains, plains, and others. For students able to take advantage of the sensory integrative element, it is anticipated that being able to touch the sand and manipulate its surface area combined with the visual element of changing colors and lines in response should have a significant regulating effect on the central nervous system. This project will positively impact students in that as students today are encountering more content developed for delivery by a screen and meant to stimulate dopamine production, it has become difficult for classroom teachers to compete for students' attention and hence their interest and ultimately academic performance. A tool like the Augmented Reality Sandbox allows educators to bring back some of that wonderment into learning spaces by allowing students the chance to physically interact with an environment that will respond to them directly. Students with the need to self-regulate through controlled sensory stimulation will find this project life-changing. Others will find the novel interactive quality of this project invaluable for understanding the geography of our planet, the way it has formed, and the effect that changes have on the environment. The expectation for this project is that 2 AR sandboxes will be installed in education spaces and used at staff discretion for a period no less than 10 years. The proposed project budget for 2 AR sandboxes is $4,607.55 at a cost per student of 91 cents. I have received a Education Foundation of WCPS grant in the past for Hyperlapse, a day in the life of a high school student for Antietam Academy.